Good morning. It's currently 11:40, so hey, this time it's actually Boxing Day. However, stream, output, hallelujah, Invink. Holy shit. Okay, so I upgraded the computer with the parts I bought today, which are as follows: a GTX 1050 Ti, an Intel 5 Series 445 SSD, it's a half terabyte drive. That was a fucking banging deal. And then I had some thermal compound somewhere. It's definitely somewhere. There it is. I just put some new stuff on. Even though the old stuff seemed like it was holding up, it's also dust caked from the edges. So I cleared the dust off of under the thing. But hopefully, this new GPU, combined with once I migrate over to the SSD, should provide, keyword should, provide me with the correct tools to edit better video and be able to actually do PC gaming without it being a hamstrung thing with this, combined with this, combined with all of this. I just finished installing everything and getting the GPU working, and the SSD I'm going to deal with tomorrow or the day after. I'm going to get Maxim over because he used the software that I downloaded for imaging the disk. I'm going to look at the Intel option, actually, too. But I'm going to get him over just in case Intel sketches me out or something. But, yeah. Fun times are ahead. Oh, and by the way, everything runs smoothly. I haven't bumped up any of the actual graphical settings yet, but I threw up the demo for Doom. Just even on OpenGL, I was able to go from 30 FPS at the lowest resolution and lowest preset to 60 FPS at the lowest graphical presets, I think, but at 1080p. Meaning I got some room, because I turned on VSync. So that, if I turn on VSync, and if I actually utilize Vulkan, I actually might get I might buy that game. Because I think I'm going to buy, once I get a card for Steam, I think I'm going to buy something like GTA 5, probably, maybe, I don't know. Might wait and see if I can get a physical copy of that. And then Golf with Your Friends. Probably Doom now. I was thinking getting a Wolfenstein The New Order so that I could work up so that maybe I can, get Wolfenstein 2. Yeah. I don't know. It was fun. Family was fine. Everything was great. See y'all later.